Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking Husqvarna string trimmers or weed whackers, whatever you want to call them. And we want to show you the step-by-step process on how to re-spool your actual trimmer head. So you can do one of two things, either continue or complete your landscaping projects for the day or weekend. Do us a favor, before starting this project, do not stress out. This is a very friendly DIY or do-it-yourself project. Let's get started. Here is the Husqvarna string trimmer or weed whacker that we are working on. Let's follow the shaft all the way down to the base. Here is your wheel or spindle, and on the bottom portion yours should be blue. This is a spring-loaded tab, and on this actual part I want to focus or direct your attention to two buttons, one on this side and directly on the opposite side is an additional one. In the middle of each of those are the holes that the actual line comes out, one on the left side and one on the right side. From here, with two fingers, one here and one on the opposite side at the same time, press in on those tabs and shift this whole part outward. And because we bought a Husqvarna string trimmer or weed whacker, we chose to go with the Husqvarna brand, the Titanium Force. And the cool thing about this, it even comes with its own cutting tool. So we are going to measure out 15 feet of line and then cut it. So with that said, in the event that you buy this exact string, all you'll do, you don't even have to open up this cover. You'll just slowly unwind this string out from the actual groove in between there. And once you get the proper measurement for you or your string trimmer, go ahead and cut it with the tool. The blade of that tool is very sharp, so be careful as you cut this. That cut pretty easy. From here, we'll grab this portion. And a few things to take into consideration is how this inner portion is positioned. And with this said, I want to focus on that actual line and arrow. You've got an arrow on each side of this line, and the way we are going to do this is wrap that line around that little internal groove right there. I have the two parts separated, and again, by referencing that little image right there, that is exactly how you are going to loop the new string on this. And you'll notice two grooves on this, and one portion of that loop line will go on the left side and the other side of that loop line will go on the right. From here, grab both tips of the line, position them evenly, and slide it all the way down. What we want to do is go all the way to the loop, as you can see here, and you will take the end portion of the loop and again reference this image. This is very important because it shows you the direction that we need to spin. The arrows meaning the direction and the lines in between the arrows representing the line. There's the hook. Align the string on each side or each groove of the wheel and slowly spin it. And again, you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. And you will spin this wheel until you have about 1 foot remaining. Okay, so there's about 1 foot remaining. So from here we will loop that line in that little slot there, and we will go 180 degrees. The second line will loop over the middle and into here. From here we will position this on the actual trimmer head and align the lines into those little grooves there. Come to the opposite side, line it in there. From here, we will realign the actual tabs with the slots and reinsert the actual trimmer head into its groove. Okay, so from here we got quite a lot of line out. We might actually trim this. What I want to show you on the bottom portion is this little blade here. As you turn the trimmer on and you press the trigger, as this spins, it will actually make contact with this blade and cut the portion of the string, because this string will be spinning at a high speed. It will cut it right off, and it will give it the correct measurements for the string to travel through this little protect guard, and as it spins, it will not harm the actual protection guard. So the last thing, make sure this is on and firm. Let's go ahead and start it up and start string trimming. So again, we used 15 feet and you can see 400 feet. So that leaves 385 feet remaining. This actual package of line may last me 3 to 5 years, who knows? And it was a very affordable price, less than $20. That's it. See, a very friendly DIY or do-it-yourself project. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again, and thanks for watching.